What if you could build intelligent systems, create your own AI apps, and land one of the most in-demand careers in the world? AI engineers are shaping the future, from self-driving cars to smart assistants. But here's the truth. Most people don't become AI engineers because they feel overwhelmed.
Too many topics.
Too much confusion. No clear path. So in this video, I'll give you a step-by-step roadmap to become an AI engineer, even if you're starting from zero. By the end, you'll know what skills to learn, what projects to build, and how to actually get hired. Let's get started.
What does an AI engineer do?
Before you start, you need to understand the role. An AI engineer builds systems that can learn from data, make predictions, automate decisions. Real-world examples are recommendation systems like Netflix, chatbots and virtual assistants, image recognition systems. Skills used daily are programming, data handling, machine learning models,
Problem solving.
AI engineers don't just use tools. They build solutions.
Learn programming.
Your first step is programming, and the best language is Python. What to learn? Variables, loops, functions, data structures. Practice ideas are build small programs, solve coding problems, automate simple tasks. Be comfortable writing logic, not perfect, just confident.
Learn math basics.
Yes, math is part of AI, but don't worry, you don't need to be a genius.
Focus on
Probability,
statistics,
linear algebra basics. Why it matters. Math helps you understand how models work. Learn math alongside coding, not separately.
Learn machine learning.
Now you enter the core of AI, machine learning.
key concepts are
Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, training versus testing. Algorithms to learn are linear regression, decision trees, KNN. Tools are Pandas,
NumPy,
scikit-learn. Understand how data turns into predictions.
Learn deep learning.
Next level, deep learning. This is where AI becomes powerful. You need to learn neural networks, layers and activation functions, training models. Tools are TensorFlow,
PyTorch.
Don't rush, focus on concepts.
Build projects.
This is the most important step. Projects prove your skills. As beginner, you can make spam classifier, movie recommendation system. At intermediate level, you can make chatbot or image classifier. Some advanced level projects are AI web app, end-to-end ML pipeline.
Learn tools and deployment.
Now learn how to make your AI usable.
Skills are APIs,
Cloud platforms,
deployment. Because
companies don't want models. They want working solutions.
Build portfolio.
Create a strong portfolio. Include
GitHub projects,
documentation, demo videos. Show your thinking, not just results.
Get hired.
Now it's time to land a job.
steps are
Apply consistently. Practice interviews. Network online. Roles are AI engineer, ML engineer, data scientist. Start small, grow fast. Becoming an AI engineer is not easy, but it's absolutely possible. Follow this roadmap. Stay consistent. Build real projects.
Comment below.
Where are you in your AI journey? Like, share, and subscribe for more AI content. See you in the next video.